Today we're going to talk about AUPs and what an AUP is. An AUP is an acceptable use policy. It's made by the school district and it tells you what you can and what you should not do online when you're using your school's internet. So first we're going to look at Kingsway Regional School District. And you'll notice similarly, you can get to both of these schools' AUPs by going to similar places. So from the home page, you're going to drop down to departments and go down to technology. And the reason I say that is because if you're working in a school district and you're not sure of your school's AUP, you might just want to try and look under departments or a similar subtitle. So we're going to go down to wireless AUP from there, and you'll see here, right here, acceptable use policy. It's only about a paragraph long at this school, and it tells you what it is, and then afterwards you can see what violations of the AUP are. And this will tell you definitely what not to do while you're using your school's internet. So now we're going to look at Paulsboro's AUP. Again, you're going to go from the home page to department, down to information technology. Look for the word technology. Technology, acceptable use policy. Paulsboro offers two AUPs, one for the staff and one for the students. We're going to look at the staff's. So, I was already in here, so it's going to be an issue. Let's see. There we go. Paulsboro's AUP is really heavy on the social networking websites. As an educator, are you friends with your students on Facebook? No. So this talks about that. It also talks about how you must do everything through the district's computer and telephone system. It should all be done using their server to communicate with your students and parents. So then it goes into cell phones, other computer communication. They're heavy on the communicating back and forth with parents and students for this AUP. But what you see at the end of this are the legal references from New Jersey School Association. And that shows you the backup there of why something can or cannot be done in a school district. It's already been made into a law. So that's a little bit about AUPs. And if you're not sure of your school's AUP, ask an administrator and they can help you find that. Thank you.